I'm Nomafrench Mbombo, the Provincial Minister of Health in the Western Cape. As part of the Empowering People, which is the vision inspired priority that the Premier of the Western Cape initiated for the health, we are focusing on the first 1,000 days, the first 2 years of a child's life. Why is it important? It's about when you've got a good start as a child, you ended up being a grown-up adult who can also be confident, and also even schooling becomes easier. What is it about the first 1,000 days? It's about the first 2 years of a human brain develops during this time, which is 80% of the brain. If you miss that period, it means that you'll be missing the whole of the person's adult life. You master those first 2 years of a child's life to ensure the mental health of the pregnant woman, the surroundings of the pregnant woman are safer. You will end up being able to be have a growing adult who could be also be responsible. Here, you must make sure that at least about more than 10,000 children should have been able to have access part of the first 1,000 days, whether through antenatal care, whether through in the first 2 years of life, and also, but the most important thing, that the immunizations must also be part of that. The growth monitoring must be part of that. You can be able to identify the at-risk factors before the child has been exposed to those risk factors.